Good day, family and friends. Welcome once again to Smoke Pot and Balance Kitchen. You're here with your one and only Smoke Pot. Last week we had introduced you to Mr. Balance, who did a nice video for us with some Johnny cakes. This week around we're gonna continue with Mr. Balance. He's gonna grace us with some nice meals. This time around he's gonna be doing a pot roast lamb chops. He's also going to be doing a baked long ribs. In the States we usually do mostly short ribs, but in England he said he's very acquainted with some lamb long ribs. So he's going to be doing those two for us. Looking very succulent and delicious. So stay tuned with me and enjoy what he's doing for us. But in the meantime, if you haven't already subscribed, please remember to do so. Share, like, leave a comment, and also turn your notification bell on. Love, peace out.
Good afternoon, welcome to Smoke Pot and Balance Kitchen. This is your boy Balance here. Today, we'll be doing some lamb chops, lamb ribs, but what I'll be doing today, I'll be pot roasting all of them together, and then I'll be taking out my ribs and oven roasted. So as we go, I'll give my lamb chops and ribs a wash with my distilled vinegar, a little lemon, I'll wash this and get the ball rolling. I need to wash your meat properly. The aim is to get all the meat tender while I pot roast it, and then after I'll be putting it in the oven just for it to get that grill taste. Very simple, and there you will have lamb chops plus your ribs grilled. Just stick around and you will see you get a double meal in one go. Yeah, so we're gonna begin pot roasting our lamb chops and our lamb ribs, right? So to start the process, we're gonna use some Jamaican pimento, but we ain't gonna use it like that. We're gonna crush them. A lot of people do not like the taste, like myself. So I'm going to crush about a tablespoon. Crush that as much as you can so it dissolves while it's cooking. That's good. And then I'm going to add my all-purpose season. I'm going to be using 4 tablespoons. My everyday season, 2 tablespoons. A tiny tip of browning. Just to get the color a little bit. Black pepper, Then I'll be adding my garlic, my bell pepper. I won't use all of my bell pepper at once now. I'm gonna put some in the finishing. Onion, thyme, and 2 Scotch bonnet pepper. And if I didn't mention the amount of lamb chops and lamb ribs that we're using today, it's 4 kg. So 4 kg is working out to the equivalent of seasoning that I'm using. So now I have all of those in. I'll be giving it a little rub. It's always better to give your meat a little rub before you actually put it on the fire, especially if you're not leaving it to marinate. A lot of people like to leave it to marinate, but honestly, you don't have to. If you know how to temperature your cooking, you can get your cooking as if it was marinated. So at a stage of the cooking, you're going to slow cook it for at least half an hour, and that will help the seasoning to marinate into whatever you're cooking. For today, it's the lamb chops and the ribs. So you rub it in a little, as much as you can. Try to get your hand on every piece of meat that is there. We'll be pot roasting this for approximately an hour and 20 minutes, and then I'll be putting it on the grill for the finishing touch. So now we're going to be leaving this to pot roast for about an hour and a half. My normal procedure is to check it every half an hour and give it a stir. So we leave it like that for now. Get back to you soon. Now I'll be adding my potato, my carrot. You remember I left back some of my bell pepper and onion earlier. So now I'll be adding these. Yep. So that's your lamb chops. And as I said before, and which you already see, your ribs is in the oven. We're going to turn the fire down to get that to steam cook now. And that's it. Thank you very much. Remember to subscribe, like, and share. And there you have it. Looking lovely. Well, I'll be putting these ribs in the oven right now. And then after, I'll be seasoning my chops again. You have them. Very nice. I really love the outcome. Sure, I got some down in the bottom. Not sure if I need both container, but let me see. Yes, I think I'm gonna need both. Don't want none of them to be crowded. Yep. When I take these out, I'll be adding some carrot, potato, and some bell pepper with a bit of onion back to the pot, just to give my lamb chops the flavor that it needs. So those will be going in the oven for about an hour, and then it will be ready. You could even put a bit of the lamb chops in it as well, you know. It's a great taste after it is pot roast and then oven cooked. Here you have it. That's all of my ribs ready to go in the oven. Leave that for an hour. Thank you. So now you're gonna have Joshua and Kimali doing their taste of our ribs, lamb ribs, and our lamb chops. So there you go, guys. Let the audience know what you think about the ribs and the lamb chops.
Okay. First I'm gonna try the ribs. First I'm gonna taste the ribs. Wait, let me get another one. This is delicious. 10 out of 10. It has the right flavoring.
Oh my god.
Not too chewy. This is amazing.
This is absolutely right flavoring. Right correct sour salt. You prep this beautifully. Yeah, all I have to say. I have to finish this.
Let me taste the chops. Same with the lamb chops. They have the right flavoring, right everything. You put the right flavoring, right seasoning, you cooked it right, not too chewy.
You prepped it absolutely correct. This is literally melted in your mouth, which is absolutely great.
So there you have it. Smoke pot and balanced kitchen. Trying to give you the best. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.
This is delicious.
This is delicious.